Are you struggling to thread a needle? Say goodbye to frustration, and hello to your new sewing best friend, the needle threader. Perfect for beginners and novices, the needle threader is a useful device that simplifies threading needles with ease. With its thin wire loop on a handle, threading needles becomes a breeze. Whether you have vision difficulties or unsteady hands, the needle threader is the perfect solution to save time and frustration. So, let's get started. Start by holding the needle threader in your dominant hand, with the wire loop facing towards you and the handle facing away. Take your sewing needle in your other hand and hold it firmly, positioning the eye of the needle facing upwards. Insert the wire loop of the needle threader through the eye of the needle. Make sure the loop goes all the way through, so it comes out on the other side. With the needle threader loop now through the eye of the needle, hold both the threader and the needle together with one hand. Using your other hand, take the end of the thread and insert it through the wire loop of the needle threader. Push the thread all the way through the loop until you have at least 2 inches of thread on the other side. Keep holding onto the threader and the needle together, making sure the thread stays in the loop. Carefully and slowly pull the needle threader back through the eye of the needle, bringing the thread along with it. As you do this, the thread will be pulled through the eye of the needle, effectively threading the needle. Once the thread is through the eye of the needle, gently remove the needle threader from the needle, and you're ready to sew. Remember, the needle threader is a handy tool, especially for those with vision difficulties or unsteady hands. Practice using it a few times to get comfortable, and soon you'll be threading needles with ease and efficiency. Threading a needle can be tricky without a needle threader, but don't worry, I have a clever hack for you to try. Put the thread flat on a soft surface or table that has a thin cloth over it. Hold the needle with the hand you use most, and put the eye on top of the thread. Push down gently, and move the needle back and forth along the thread until you see some of the thread going through the eye. Then, stop moving and pull the thread gently through the eye of the needle. Practice doing this a few times to get comfortable. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to support this channel.